Pranav, thanks for sending this question. Is dynamic remarketing helpful in case of service-based industry? You need to have a lot of traffic, because I'll give you an example. On my website we've got Google Ads, web design, photography, video marketing, video production. So what you can do is keep it simple. You don't need to go very fancy with dynamic remarketing, because we only have a handful of services, not like an e-commerce website where you may have hundreds or thousands of products. So keep it simple, and you can set up a campaign in your remarketing that if somebody goes on my Google Ads page, show ads from this campaign or ad group. If somebody goes to a video marketing one, show the video marketing ad. So that is kind of dynamic, because it is relevant that somebody went to that page and they are getting shown that same message for your service. So I wouldn't go about trying to set up dynamic search ads. It just won't work. Just keep it simple and set them up. If we are going for the responsive ads, then do we need to pause the regular ads? Great question. I'm glad you asked. You don't have to. What you can do is, let me go back over here. So I'm in my ads, right? And I can put in a text ad as well. So you can run both. So extended text ads as well as your responsive. So usually what you can do is put 2 extended text ads and 1 responsive, and then you can split test quite easily, and you'll start to see the difference. When you are creating a responsive search ad, you put in up to 15 headlines and up to 4 description lines, and then Google is going to mix and match these different headlines and see which combination is performing the best.